Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's Aisha, your mom on the go. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung mga makeup ko every time na nag-attend ako ng mga events or if I have photo shoots. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start. Mag-start ako sa paglagay ng beauty cream which is Gory. Ayan. So, usually, ang ginagawa ko is sinuswirl ko lang yung finger ko and then, ayan, apply ko na all over my face. Ayan. Okay. So, once nakalat na natin yan, I move on straight to powder foundation. So, ang gagamitin ko is from Maybelline. Usually, ang ginagamit ko is yung powder puff. But since wala na akong powder puff, naubusan na tayo, mag-move tayo sa paggamit ng brush. Okay? So, I have a small mirror here. Ayan. Dab lang natin. And then, straight to application kaagad tayo. Minsan, naglalagay ako konting-konting concealer or foundation sa ilalim ng eyes ko. Pero, most of the time, wala na tayong time para dyan. So, move straight to powder foundation kaagad. Ayan. So, and since oily din kasi ako, oily din yung face ko, yung liquid foundation mabilis mawala sa area na to dahil sa oil. So, mas gusto ko na lang mag-powder foundation at least. Ayan, sa mga oily skin dyan, mas may-recommend ko yung mga ganito. And madali lang i-touch up, unlike liquid foundation. So, once na-spread out ko na yung powder foundation natin, of course, don't forget the neck. Ayan, lagyan din natin yung neck. Once you're done with the neck, ayan, move na tayo kagad sa ating bronzer, contour, ayan, para lang hindi flat yung face natin. So, usually, ginagamit ko lang lahat na nandito sa palette na to. Spread out lang, tap the excess, and then, lalagay ko lang siya around my face. So, sa forehead, and then, maglagay lang tayo dito sa cheekbone natin. Yan. So, there. Ayan, o, diba? Very quick and easy lang. Diba? Hindi na flat yung face natin. Next up, we'll move on to blush. Okay? So, like before, ang ginagawa ko lang dito is, minimix ko lang yung tatlong colors and then, tap the excess, dinadab ko sa back ng hands ko para hindi masyado ganun ka grabe yung pigment kaagad na ipapakita niya sa face mo. So, yan. Pina-focus ko lang yung blush dito sa area na to. Yan. Para medyo lifted yung itsura niya. And then, we just repeat it on the other side. Yan. Pag nasobrahan nyo naman ng blush, you don't have to worry. Babalik lang kayo dun sa powder brush na ginamit na kanina. And then, yan, idadab-dab nyo lang din ulit. Para mag-lighten yung color ng blush. Hindi ganun ka grabe yung pigment niya. Or hindi ganun ka-harsh yung blush. Then, konti here sa bridge ng nose natin. And then, sa chin. There. Ganyan usually na ginagawa ko. Next, once we're done with the blush, pwede nyo namang balikan yan. Pag kulang yung blush na, pwede nyo balikan later on. Next, maglagay tayo ng konting nose contour. Ayan, kasi wala tayong ilong. Ayan, so, mix ko lang ulit yung color na ginamit ko pang contour at saka pang bronze ng face. Again, tap the excess, tap it on the back of your hand para hindi ganun ka grabe yung pigment na lalabas ka agad sa yung brush punta sa inyong face. Ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko, from yung end ng kilay ko, then going down here. Yeah. Yan. Yan lang. Again, pag harsh yung lines natin, don't worry, you can always go back with the brush na ginamit nyo pang powder foundation. Ayan. Move ka agad tayo sa eyes natin. I usually just use one big fluffy brush. Yan. Yan lang ang ginagamit ko. Okay. And then, ang ginagawa ko, kumukuha lang ako ng neutral color or brown. You can use the same palette na ginamit nyo for your bronzer kung nagmamadali kayo kasi pwedeng-pwede nyo pa rin naman gamitin. Pero in this case, I'll be using this one. This is from The Balm Cosmetics. Ayan. Gagamitin ko lang yung brown dito. Okay. And then, iladap ko na siya all over my lid. Ayan. Pati sa aking crease. So, like so. That. Once na lapat na natin yung base color natin, the brown all over our lid and our crease. Sometimes I'll move in with a smaller brush and then I'll get a deeper color. Ayan. So, kukunin ko lang yung itong color na to, itong shade na to. So, medyo mas darker siya. You can also go with this, pero for now, ito muna. Dab the excess and then ifo-focus ko lang to sa outer corner ng eye ko. So, here lang. Here, and then I'm just dabbing. Very quick and easy lang. So, just focus your brush sa outer corner ng eyes. Like this. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Then, after that, you can always go back using your fluffy brush and then i-blend nyo lang. I-mix nyo lang yung base nyo kanina. There. O, diba? Tapos na. And that's our eyeshadow. So, after that, I move on to a liner. So, magta-tight line na tayo. Kasi hindi na ako mahilig maglagay ng liquid eyeliner. So, most of the time, I just do tight line sa upper. Dito lang. Ayan. Tight line lang natin yan. Para pag false lashes tayo later on, mukhang connected siya sa natural lashes natin. Okay. So, walang tayo ng mirror. You can also use this, of course, to draw a very thin line dito sa upper part. Yan. Dito lang. So, that's pretty much it for the eyes. Okay, next up, curl lang natin yung lashes natin in preparation for the application of our false lashes. There. The lashes that I'll be using is DFY11 and this ones. Sa TikTok ko lang nabibili tong lashes na to for I don't know how much. I can't remember kung basta less than 100 pesos to, I think. Kasi ang maganda dito, it's very natural. Ayan, very natural yung dating niya and clear yung band niya. Ayan, for natural looks lang. O, diba? So, ganun siya. Ayan. See? Clear yung band niya. So, ititrim ko lang yung excess nitong ating false lashes kasi medyo masyado siyang mahaba for me. So, pag nagmamadali akong ginagawa ko, tinitrim ko lang siya and then lalagyan ko na both lashes ng glue. And then, sabay ko nang ilalagay yan. Diba? Para nagsisave tayo ng time. Pero for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya ginagawa. Ayan. So, ilagyan lang ng glue. What I usually do is that, binebend ko yung lashes para mas madali siyang i-apply later on. So, what I usually do, take a small mirror, put it here, yan, middle of the eye, and then, ganito lang siyang ina-apply. Just like that. And then, just like the other one, bibend lang din natin to. So, same, bend lang natin. Although, medyo mas hirap ako magkabit ng lashes dito sa kabilang side na to. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo yan, mas matagal lang magkabit ng lashes dito. Okay. So, check ko lang kung okay na siya. Okay. So, there. Meron na tayong eyelashes. Okay. So, hayaan ko po nang matuyo yung glue ng konti. Let's move on to the lower lashes. So, ang ginagawa ko lang, I will apply the same color na nilagay ko all over my lip. Yan, ito lang lip. But I'll be using the smaller brush. Okay. Maglalagay lang tayo in the lower lash line. Konti lang. There. After that, maglalagay tayo ng white na pencil. Ano ba to? Basta, maglalagay tayo ng white na pencil. Here lang naman. Nakalimutan ko bigla yung mga terms natin. And then, gagamit ulit ako ng another cream caviar stick eye color. Ayan. This is from, ayan, Laura Mercier. Ayan. Ito, yung color nito is medyo mas nude. Medyo mas nude yung color niya. Para hindi puting-puti yung linagay natin dito kanina. Okay? Next up, mag-move na tayo sa okay. Balik tayo dito sa ating eyelash curler. Ang gagawin ko lang is, pagdidikitin ko lang yung natural lashes natin dun sa falsies natin. Okay? Okay. And then, mascara. So, magbigay din ako sa bottom lashes natin ng mascara. So, we're pretty much done with the eyes. Kukuha lang ako na ayusin na natin yung ating kilay. Lagyan na natin ng buhay yung ating kilay. So, babrushin ko lang ang ating kilay upwards. And then, I will be using a lighter shade ng brown para sa inner parts ng kilay ko. From here to here. And then, medyo mas darker shade ng brown from here up to the tip. Yan. And then, a darker shade of brown para dun sa outer part ng ating kilay. Yung tail ng ating kilay. Okay, so next, we're almost done with the face. For the lips, gagamit muna ako ng lip balm. Yan. Para lang ma-hydrate yung lips natin. And then, I'll be using this Velvet Click Stick. Ayan. This is in the shade Copperhead. From Strokes. Yan. So, yan. And then, lastly, papatungan ko siya ng gloss from Maybelline. Ito yung... So, this one, I'll be using this one in the shade Punchy. Ayan. And then, last but not least, I usually apply contact lens. Yung brown lang naman yung ginagamit ko. Para ma... ewan ko, for some reason, pag naglalagay ako ng contact lens, parang natatay up yung buong look. Yan. So, gagamit lang tayo ng light brown na contact lens. Apply lang natin yung mabilisan yan. Mag-drops na tayo nito. There you go. See, diba yung nagagawa pag naka-contact lens? Diba yung nagagawa niya? So, yan. And then, buksan lang natin yung hair natin. Tapos natin, may pupuntahan tayo, pero wala naman talaga tayong pupuntahan. O, diba? And just like that. And that is it, you guys. This is the finished look. Ayan. So, ganun lang kadali, ganun lang kasimple, guys. If you'd like me to try other makeup trends, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Aisha, your mom on the go. I will see you on the next video. Bye! Sorry, I am still here and we are not done yet. Watch our next episode, ha? And subscribe.